In this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Sheets. So open your Google Sheets and after that go to File in the top interface. So go to File, then go to Settings, and once you have clicked on Settings, you will see the option Display Language. Now once you have selected the language over here, the link, then you will be redirected to this page of your Google account. So what you can do is change your primary language and just select one. Let's say we would like to change it to Dutch, for example. Now select the option, after that select the country and then save it. Now you have changed the primary language to Dutch. The next step is to go back to your overview and then we will click this away. If you now refresh the page of your sheet, and once you have refreshed the page, your language will be successfully changed into the selected language in your Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye!